W.R.O.T, broadcasting Cleveland's WROT. This is a public service announcement from Cleveland's Office of Educational Optimization and Strategic Streamlining. We are pleased to inform the public that education is now becoming more personalized than ever. Starting this cycle, some students may notice their school building is no longer available. This is intentional. Research shows that removing physical schools from certain areas can create powerful opportunities for imagination-based learning. If your child asks where their school went, please encourage them to view it as a growth experience. No building means no limits. Students affected by this improvement will now participate in our enhanced learning model called Self-Guided Academic Hope Navigation, or SGAHN for short. Materials may include thinking about math, remembering what reading felt like, and group discussions about what science used to be.
Highly interactive.
Please note, attendance will still be recorded as successful engagement because engagement is now defined as awareness of potential learning opportunities. For families concerned about supervision, rest assured, every child will now be monitored by the same system that determined supervision was no longer required. You're listening to W.R.O.T, Cleveland's WROT, where absence is not a problem, it is a curriculum redesign.